In this video, I'm going to talk about 6 teas that you can drink to improve your health, and I'm going to touch a little bit on the benefits of each. The benefits of drinking tea have been known and studied since the dawn of man. Throughout all of human history, man has been quick to discover the health benefits of various plants and herbs, and has made great use of those plants by seeping them in hot water and drinking them. Today, in the 21st century, we're quick to take manufactured chemicals for absolutely anything that ails us. While I am not personally opposed to modern medicine, as I believe it has done a great amount of good in prolonging human health and well-being, I also see the darker side and recognize that we have become far too chemically dependent. For that reason, I see a tremendous amount of gain to be had in exploring and continuing to understand more holistic means of treating certain ailments. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea has been shown to slow the aging process. Green tea is loaded with a crystalline compound called catechins, which are antioxidants which work to prevent cell damage. Green tea also improves blood flow. It contains ECGC, a catechin which has blood-thinning properties and therefore improves blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. Green tea has been shown to lower cholesterol. Green tea helps to boost the body's high-density lipoprotein levels, or HDL, which is essentially good cholesterol, versus low-density lipoprotein, or LDL. HDL helps to sweep LDL from the arteries, improving your overall cholesterol levels. Green tea has also been shown to aid in Alzheimer's prevention. It has been shown to prevent the formation of plaques associated with Alzheimer's. It has also been shown to break down existing plaques. Green tea has been known to regulate blood sugar. Studies show that ECGC reduces the levels of glucose and insulin in the blood after foods which would normally elevate those levels are consumed, making green tea great for diabetics and diabetic prevention. Green tea also aids in weight loss. A lot of people ask, can green tea help me lose weight? The answer is yes and no. This is a hotly debated topic, and most researchers will say that green tea isn't going to melt the fat away like some gimmicky marketers would suggest. However, given green tea's blood flow enhancing and blood sugar reducing properties, over time, it couldn't hurt. Number 2. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea can be used as a natural sleep aid. It contains menthol, a natural muscle relaxant. Sip a cup of peppermint tea before bed for a deeper, more recuperative sleep. Peppermint tea has also been known to reduce digestive problems. It has been used for centuries to reduce digestive ailments such as flatulence and nausea. It has also been used to prevent vomiting. Peppermint tea is also great for stress reduction. Menthol is a sedative and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it an ideal remedy if you're feeling stressed or anxious. It also alleviates cough and congestion. The menthol in peppermint tea acts as an expectorant, breaking up mucus and helping to rid the body of annoying phlegm. And finally, peppermint tea can help with weight loss. Much like green tea, peppermint tea won't melt the fat away or anything like that. However, it is great for improving blood flow and increasing lung capacity. In that respect, it can ultimately help you lose weight. Number 3. Ginger tea. Ginger tea can help improve blood flow. It is loaded with magnesium, chromium, and zinc, all of which have been shown to dramatically improve blood flow and cardiovascular health. It can also aid in nutrient absorption. Studies show that ginger tea stimulates gastric and pancreatic enzyme secretion. These enzymes break down the food in your body. Your body's efficient use of food depends on these enzymes. It can help to alleviate cough and congestion. Much like peppermint tea, ginger tea is a natural expectorant. Ginger tea makes a fantastic remedy for any cough or cold. It can also reduce nausea. Ginger tea has been used for centuries to treat nausea associated with morning sickness. It can also be effectively used in treating motion sickness. It may also be used to reduce inflammation. Ginger tea is an excellent alternative to aspirin or ibuprofen. It can also strengthen immunity. Ginger tea has natural antiseptic properties. It is ideal for staving off bacterial infections. Number 4. Rose tea. Rose tea can help maintain a youthful appearance. Vitamin C is essential for skin health, and rose tea is loaded with it. Along with skin health, vitamin C can also be used to boost the immune system. Vitamin C is known as a very potent immune system booster. Rose tea can also aid in digestion. It stimulates your stomach's bile production, which helps your body more effectively break down certain foods. And finally, rose tea can soothe anxiety. The smell and mellow flavor of rose tea is soothing and relaxing, making it ideal for relaxing and combating stress. Number 5. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea is a natural detox. It is a natural diuretic and therefore a great way to flush toxin buildup from the kidneys. Dandelion tea has also been shown to aid in digestion. Much like rose tea, dandelion tea stimulates bile production in the stomach, aiding in digestion. Dandelion tea has also been shown to regulate blood sugar levels. Like green tea, dandelion tea helps to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Sipping on a cup of dandelion tea daily can help to combat and prevent diabetes. Dandelion tea has also been known to help fight infection. Its antiseptic properties make it a great remedy for preventing infection, as well as fighting off existing illness. And finally, dandelion tea is great for combating acne. It works as a natural detox, flushing toxins from the liver and removing skin impurities. And number 6, red tea. The teas I've just listed are excellent, but if you're looking for a super tea with all the health benefits I've just listed, plus much more, all rolled into one great tasting tea, I recommend the Red Tea Detox. Out of respect for the creator of the Red Tea Detox, and probably for legal reasons, I can't divulge what is actually in the tea. But I can tell you that it tastes great and makes you feel great. You can check out my full personal review of it. I will leave the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like, share, or comment, or all three. Thank you for watching.